Hello guys, we're going to Telos World of Science.
We're on our way. Daddy, nasa unahan, driver. Ang ganda po ng weather guys, walang snow, kulimlim.
Uber!
Perfect lang.
Uber! Pupunta kami sa Telos World of Science.
Uber driver daw dati.
Hello guys, nandito na tayo.
Telos World of Science. Tingnan nyo guys, ay ang snow. Buti nga at kumbaga tumila. Hindi napatakang snow, magandang weather, kulimlim. Ayos lang din. Ngayon pupunta kami dito. Mag-IMAX. Tsaka maraming activity sa loob. Pinaka-Christmas party na ng office ni Daddy Ron. Binigyan ng ticket sa mga families. Tapos yan daw, may morning session, may afternoon session. Pwede pumunta. Yun oh, ganda. Tuntua naman si Elliot. Ay, wait lang anak. Antayin natin daddy. Wait natin siya dito. Happy ka? Ayan o, snow, garne, katambak.
Wait for him inside. Kasi malamig na.
Ayan o, nandyan na siya. Hayaan mo na. Oh. Ganda nga naman. Parang sa Singapore yun.
That's the future.
Yun ang mga bata. Ang dami nang nadating. Sige na.
Okay, let's go.
Ayan, video. Hi guys.
Hello.
Telos World of Science.
Let's go. Let's go.
Second time namin ni Tenten. First time ng Daddy Ron. Tara na, pasok na.
My
First time.
Guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang loob ng Telos World of Science.
That's my lucky number. They call it David.
Yun.
25.
Maglalakar muna kami.
25.
Itatago namin ang aming bag. Tanggal ang jacket
No,
eh.
we won't.
Ang jacket.
O, then try
Mainit.
Wala ka lang sa bag?
Tubig.
Anong lago to?
Hindi, jacket. Tenny, remove your jacket anak.
Remove the thicker one.
Yeah, oo. Lagay na natin dito.
Turn right. Insert then turn right. Okay, leave the key there. Yeah.
Yun na nakuha niya, yung...
Ay, patay. Okay, leave it there. Oh, I think it's one Chinese. Nalaglag na yung coin eh. Ang ganun pa. Isa pa, hindi pa tayo tanggal na. Isa pantay. Like this. Sige na, be. You have to... I think it's too small. Dito ang sama. Nakabuhol. Bring it down. No, when you bring it down, you don't change it. Oh, good luck. Welcome back, buddy. Okay?
We gotta go get something first.
This what?
Kung ilang meters ang naabot ng ginawa nyo.
May ulitin lang ako ha. Mali yung time mo. Your house survived. But it's moving over to the cliff.
Pero babagsak na. Then explain mo.
Let's see.
Build your own turbine.
try different shapes, angles, and numbers of blades.
O yan, o, engineer.
And then how does it turn? Mahanginan ba yan?
Pakita mo sa daddy. Yung ga, Tenny, nandun pa sa loob ang iba. Na blades, Tenny. May nakaiwan sa loob.
Yeah, there's more here. Building.
Green ang gusto mo. Kunin mo, daddy, yan.
Like this?
Yeah. Kunin mo muna yung extra yan kasi kailangan ni Tuto yung green na mga blades.
Don't forget to attach the clip.
Yeah. Ito. May pinipress sa gilid. Tapos yung green na yun yata, pag maximum power, pupunta hanggang doon sa dulo. Penny, show daddy.
You'll take the other blades. How do you open this? Good job.
Gawa na.
Yay!
Umiikot. Uy, full power yan. Ay, hindi ba?
Is that full power?
Dapat may magi-green na na.
Yeah, dapat merong green line.
So,
Yun, naiiwan na shadow.
oh my God.
Galing. Lakad mo takot.
Why does it leave the shadow there? There.
Yun, anak, alis. Yun, naiiwan na shadow.
I think someone's behind and
No?
This goes like that.
Whoever
Just
made
following.
this is an engineer.
Yan, galing ng engineer na gumawa nito, no? Kasi ang daming mga bola na pabagsak-bagsak, dire-diretso lang. See? Yeah. Galing, sunod-sunod daw. Hindi ka dito, be.
How am I supposed to get this out?
Galing yan, no? Galing.
Uy, dun si Tenny sa dulo, ma.
Doon ka daw tayo sa dulo. Yan, kasi lalaki ka dyan. Ako naman maliit.
Smile. Saba. Tenny, look at the camera. My phone. Thank you. May baning na akong dala.
May bati daw na din.
Yeah, I know this. This one is cool.
Ito naman, mabablock niya ang laser. O, laser yan. Yan. Lalagyan mo siya ng mga ganito.
Oh, nice.
Tapos, maaalis na yung ano. Tingnan mo, nawawala yung laser. Yun. Natapos na. Hanggang doon lang siya.
Ito po lang patay na siya.
Mutay, dahan-dahan mag-drive.
And there's air.
There's air? Oh.
Oh, careful, Vivian.
So that it can
You can feel the ano, yung snow?
the ano on this.
Kung ano, nagbabibrate ang upuan, Dad. Parang feeling mo sakay ka talaga.
Yeah, there's air coming out of this.
Pero totoo, upo lang naman kami dito sa bench.
Tenny.
Tenny.
Straighter natin na.
Put it just a little bit over here. Come a little bit this way. It's better because
That's good.
What does this have to do with our ice? As the air
Cooler. orb here.
Thin ice crystals form on the surface of the clear oceans.
Oh, there's another one.
Pwede ka umupo. Ganto
I
pa lang.
can live here forever.
Wow. Ano, Dad?
We can rest.
Ano?
We can rest in here.
Ay, polar. Oh, polar.
Picture naman, picture.
Tenny, tingnan mo yung skeletons.
Where are you going?
Cute na elevator.
These are the giant stickers. These are giant stickers.
May sticker lang.
Do you like popcorn?
Excuse.
Guys, nag-watch kami ng movie sa IMAX movie theater.
3D.
3D.
Nag-enjoy ka, be?
You learn. I can see you. May mirror, mama, nakaslant pag ganito. Pag ganito.
Galing nga.
And then, tingnan mo sa ilalim. May nakaganon
Galing nga,
din.
may nakaharang. Pero pag...
And then, kasi
Sige, punta ka sa
handle.
kabila. Bibidyohin kita. Yun, pag na... Makikita mong ng tao sa kabilang side. I don't know.
Alien sounds. It's alien voices.
Do it again.
Hello. 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 Hey.
Hey, we did out.
Okay.
This one, Elliot.
Ang problema pag pagantong video, patindig. Basta mapaghalo-halo. Nga.
Elliot, dito naman. Nak. Nak, dito naman.
It's like slant, pero this one's straight.
Okay.
Fit.
Galing. Nasa angle, ano. Oh, next one. Here, bebe. Yung, look, nagalaw.
What? How?
Nagalaw. Pag
Wait,
nirab
what's
mo, irab mo daw.
There's two.
Then this one. Bolang kristal. Eh.
Yeah, I know.
Hawak mo ang pangalan mo. Hawak mo ang pangalan mo. Hawak mo ang kamay mo.
Yeah, hold it, hold it.
Nice. This one. Oh, free. Free money.
Take the coin.
Take the coin. Ano yung optical illusion, no?
Yeah, it's an
Where is
optical
it?
illusion.
Take it.
It's just an illusion. Alisan na kang kamay. So, it looks like merong pera. Pero grab mo. Oh my gosh.
To me, it looks like-
But it's inside. It's inside.
Those are socks.
And then, what's this?
Oh, little game.
I don't want to get sued. Okay, so I have something else for you. This is called a candle on a stick. It's not a complicated device. Stick, candle, candle on a stick. Hold on, let's turn off the lights.
Mag-ina yan ah.
Alright, let's give it a nice big countdown. We're gonna do this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's receiving the two. You can just fly around like that.
Anak, go grab some stuff. Anak, grab some stuff.
One eternity later.
1, 2, 3, go!
Guys, uuwi na kami.
Nag-enjoy ka?
Did you have fun?
Where we, have to make products and sell them.
Products and sell them?
I can sell them. I can sell this one
Oh my God.
for money.
Umipot ka din sa kanan. Umipot ka. Huwag mo ilagay siya sa gitna ng triangle. To the portable side.
Yan guys, kakain kami sa 97 Hot Pot. First time namin din eh.
Hello guys.
Hi, guys.
First time namin sa
97.
97 Hot Pot.
Yan. Libre ni Daddy Ronnie. Salamat
Excited.
po.
Ay, alam ko bakit 97 kasi that's David's number.
David's number? So the entire street is 97. Look.
Ito po ang mga prices.
Yeah. So the entire street is all Chinese. And how they...
Yan guys, dumating ng order namin. Nakaabot pala kami dun sa, ano yun, magkano yun? Na $17 na ano, parang pipili ka ng 6 na ulam plus isang sabaw. So yan, si Elliot naman bumili ng, anong in-order mo bebe?
Vanilla ice cream and lumpia, then rice, then
Chicken wings. Okay. Hinantay namin ang order ni Elliot. Makakakain din. First time namin din eh. 97 Hot Pot. Ang kinuha ko ay ano nga are? Egg noodles. Tsaka yan, mga dumplings. Tapos ang soup ko ay coconut. Kay Daddy Ron ay, ano yan? Tom yum?
They're not trying it.
And then beef.
Start
Yan.
off. It's ham.
Gutom na gutom kami. Galing kami sa Telos World of Science. Sige, kakain muna kami.
Chicken is
Sobrang
from the-
gutom na namin. Yan, ang bata gutom na din. Dumating na ang kanyang lumpia.
Yeah.
Sige na, kain.
Go.
hey,
Yeah.
that tom yum is
Ha?
Bibigyan kita ng soup.
Pinahigop ko ng sabaw. Sabi niya,
Tom yum?
it's nice.
Uy, manghang eh. Kaya mo?
No, no, it's not spicy.
yeah, it's not.
It's not.
Yeah.
Don't touch it. We'll make it 2 or 3.
Thank you, Lord.
It's kind of boring.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Salamat po.